Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Agent Tan from Keystone Property, and today we'll be touring this beautiful, lovely house in Baan Pattaya 5. And let's go have a tour with me with the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, which the owner adds 2 more rooms as a multi-function room in this house. The land size of this house is 516 square meters, and the living area is 336 square meters. This is a big house, I can tell. So once you get in the house, you will meet our living area here. And this house also offered as a fully furnished, included in the price already. Then you get a big kitchen area and an island here. For one who loves to cook Thai food or would like to have a Thai kitchen, the owner also add more the multi-function room on the side of this house for the Thai kitchen or for the laundry room. And then you have a dining table over here, which can fit 6 seats. And please, let me show you guys my favorite room in this house, which is this additional room. And the owner make it as a cat playroom. You can also do it as an office room here or entertainment room. But this is a sq.m house at the moment, right, Shako? Shako, is it your house here? Come here, Shako. Come here. No, no. Come here, Shako. Come to mommy. No, you're not my mommy. Okay, that's okay. That's fine. So yeah. Attention here, please. Let's get back to our living side. So on my left hand side will be a guest bedroom with a shared bathroom here. This bathroom is also come with a double access. And here you have Alright, and then you have a second bedroom here and the master bedroom here. Be my guest. Thank you for watching our YouTube video, and please don't forget to put like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, I forget to mention, this house is a corner pot, which is next to the communal garden here. Let me show you guys.